Good afternoon, sir.
And to our classmates as well.
Our report is all about the country na nagsasabing, anyway,
Highway, expressway, there is
no
no other way,
Norway.
To be specific, ang topic namin ay about sa police system.
Gusto niyo pumunta sa Norway?
Lo, asa kayo?
No way! Norway Police System prepared by me, Angel Gabanes Pasyon.
And Globeria de la Cruz Mateo.
First, introduce namin ang capital ng Norway, which is
Oslo. It is the biggest city in Norway and has been the country's capital since 1814.
About Norway. Population. As of 2020, the population is estimated at 5,421,241 people at mid-year according to UN data. Norway population is equivalent to 0.07% of the total world population. Norway ranks number 119 in the list of countries by population. Pero here in the Philippines, the population is estimated 110 million by 2020 and by 2030, aabot na ng 125 million.
Philippines ranks number 13 in the list of countries ranked by population and first naman ang China.
Kaya galingan pa natin para makapasok tayo sa top 10.
At ang Pilipinas hindi nagpapatalo kasi kilala ang Pilipinas sa mga hindi nagpapatalong countries. Kaya humayo tayo at magparami! Next on regions. Norway is generally divided into 5 regions which largely represent areas with a common language and culture.
Northern Norway, Trondelag, which is the central part, Western Norway, Southern Norway, Eastern Norway.
System of Norway summary. Name of police agency. The Norwegian Police Agency, which is tinatawag sa Norwegian na Politi og Lensmannsetaten, is the Norwegian Civilian Police Agency.
Norway are provided by the country's single national police force, which is called Politi. Department, Ministry of Justice and Public Security.
It oversees justice, the police, and domestic intelligence. The main purpose of this ministry is to provide for the maintenance and development of the basic rule of law. Rule of law states that law must be applied equally to everyone. Highest rank, National Police Commissioner. Lowest rank, Police Constable. Type of law enforcement, centralized law enforcement.
Centralized kasi there is only one police force. As we've said before, that police force is called Politi.
Estimated strength, 16,000 men and women para sa 5.4 million population ng Norway.
This is the Norwegian police logo.
Ang kabuang logo na yan ay tinatawag na Coat of Arms of Norway. Coat of Arms of Norway is the dominion of the arms borne both by a monarchy of King Harald V of Norway having ascended the throne upon the death of his father King Olav on January 1991.
Makikita naman po dito, it depicts a standing golden lion on red shield background, bearing with a golden crown, and the lion holding an axe with silver blade.
At the time na buhay pa si King Olav, wala pa yung axe.
History of Norway Police System. 13th century. Police force in Norway was established. Originally, the 16 to 80 lensmen were predominantly used for writ of execution and to a less degree police power. In the cities and duties were originally taken care of by Jijaldger.
Jijaldger means rich or of a high social class, and lensman means sheriff.
And in mid-17th century, by the mid-17th century, there were between 300 to 350 sheriffs. The importance of the police increased. The bailiffs such as become part of the police structure with their superiors, the country governor receiving a similar role as that of chief of police. The first entitled chief of police was hired in Trondheim in 1686, thus creating the first police district, although his jurisdiction only covered the city proper.
Ang bailiffs naman na tinatawag ay ang unofficial employed by a British sheriff to serve writs and make arrests and execution.
In the 19th century saw a large increase in the number of chief of police, reaching 16th by the middle of the century. Christiana established the country's first uniform corps of constable in 1859, which gave the force a more unified appearance. In 1894, the authorities decided to abolish the position of bailiffs, and it was decided that some of its tasks would be transferred to the sheriffs.
So every century, dumadami yung mga number of sheriffs or landsman nila. Sa pagkakaroon naman ng uniform, mas naging unified yung appearance nila. This picture shows Norwegian police constable in 1908.
Continuation of 19th century. The police school was established in 1920. In 1937, so the first two specialty agencies was created, the Police Surveillance Agency and the Mobile Police Service.
Police Surveillance Agency na ngayon ay tinatawag na Police Security Service.
Økokrim was established in 1988.
Økokrim is Norway's police central units for fighting economic and environmental crime, both a police units and prosecution authority. In addition, ang current director ng Økokrim ay si Trond Erik Iskia.
So guys, makikita nyo naman, yan si Trond Erik Iskia. Diba, nagwapo?
Iyan naman po yung building ng Økokrim.
Organizational structure. Metropolitan Norway is divided into 27 police districts. Each district is further subdivided into local police station and rural police districts, and later led by a sheriff.
Each police district is headquartered at a main police station and it is led by a chief of police.
The size of the police district varies from Oslo with 2,500 employees and recovering a population of 570,000 to Eastern Finnmark, which has 160 employees and 30,000 residents.
Mas maraming employees sa Oslo kaysa sa Eastern Finnmark, which has only 30,000, di katulad sa Oslo na may population na 570,000.
The districts are divided into sub-districts, 303 under the command of a police chief superintendent. The special agencies are organized and also the security service.
The special agencies are organized under the National Police Directorate and the security services organized under the direct control of the Ministry of Justice and the Police. Recruitment and selection. First, must be a citizen of Norway. Second, each employee must undergo 40 hours of yearly training, including firearms practice, to keep their operational certification. Without this, they cannot patrol, use firearm, or participate in actions. It also requires 103 hours of special training per year. Third, physical requirement. The minimum age required is about 18 to 21 years old, depending on the department you are applying to. Need to ensure that you have enough stamina, endurance, and strength. To guarantee this, the selection procedure incorporates a physical ability test or PAT.
Physical ability test includes a mile long runs, sprints, obstacle courses, sit-ups, weightlifting, and additional exercises to gauge fitness levels.
Fourth, legal requirement. You should anticipate a detailed and complete investigation into your background. They visit your former and present employers and kin. Next, they will find out if any form of your behavior is undesirable in the police academy. Consumption of drugs and other controlled substances is prohibited. Within the selection process, a medical examination is performed, which incorporates several different urine and blood tests.
These tests are carried out for this every aim to uncover the intake of controlled substances.
Mental requirement. Law enforcement officers need to be able to withstand hardships. They need to have adequate mental resilience to remain sturdy and to continue working in the profession. They need to be able to make decisions under extreme pressures, and they better be the correct ones.
Every single time they make choice, it might be a life and death situation for someone. Firearms, weapons, and equipment. Police officers are not armed with firearms during patrolling, but have weapons locked down in the patrol cars. Arming of the locked down weapons requires permission from the Chief of Police. Firearms, Heckler & Koch MP5 and Heckler Koch P30. Heckler Koch MP5 submachine gun and Heckler Koch P30 semi-automatic pistols.
Other firearms are Dane gun and Erickson M25.
Kongsberg Colt and German Harpur rifle. Madsen machine gun and Sjogren shotgun. Weapons, Dane axe and electroshock taser X2. Norwegian police officer used electroshock weapon called Taser X2 and they started using in 2018.
Other weapons, anti-submarine weapon called Terne 111 MKA.
Equipments, GPS navigation device and terrestrial trunk radio. Terrestrial trunk radio and allows for a common public safety network for all emergency agencies. Patrol cars, Mercedes-Benz Vito which is for light transport and Mercedes-Benz Sprinter for heavy transport.
Helicopters are AW169 helicopters and Eurocopter EC135, which are based on Oslo Airport, Gardermoen. Doon na base kasi, as we've said before, ang Oslo ang capital ng Norway and it is the biggest city in Norway. Uniforms, the Type 1 police uniform
Na ginagamit nila for personal which primarily for indoor works.
at yung Type 2 naman ay
Ginagamit nila for personal which primarily for outdoor services.
and both types use black as a dominant color with light blue shirts. Rank and insignia highest to lowest. National Police Commissioner which is the
Highest rank.
Assistant National Commissioner.
Second to the highest rank.
Chief of Police.
Rank used by the chief police officer of every territorial police force.
Deputy Chief of Police.
Is the fourth highest rank. Sila yung usually naghahawak ng portfolio. Example ng portfolio ay yung sa crime, operation and territorial policy.
Assistant Chief of Police.
In some countries, such as Italy, the rank of Assistant Chief of Police is low rank.
Police Prosecutor.
Decided the issue of prosecution in criminal cases, including whether to prosecute, charge, issue a citation, or dismiss the case. Also, they are uniformed sworn police officer
Junior Police Prosecutor.
na siyang susunod sa police prosecutor.
Chief Inspector.
Sometimes referred to as Chief Inspector of Police or CIP.
Police Superintendent.
They are known as the Commissioner of Police Safety.
Police Chief Inspector.
An official employed to ensure that official regulations are obeyed, especially in public services.
Police Inspector.
Non-commissioned officer. A superior officer of police, usually ranking next below a commissioner, superintendent, or chief.
Police Sergeant.
Supervisor who plans, assigns, reviews, and evaluates the work of others.
Police Constable.
Work in partnership or a day-to-day basis with local communities, stakeholders, or colleagues in order to promote law and order.
Norwegian Armed Forces rank and insignia. Under sa Army, ang highest rank ay Chief Sergeant. So, makikita po dito sa picture. At ang lowest naman ay ang private.
Sa Navy naman, ang pinaka-highest is Chief Master. Makikita nyo naman po sa presentation. At ang pinaka-lowest is Seaman.
Under po sa Air Force, ang highest naman po ay Chief Sergeant at ang lowest naman po ay Airman.
Best practices. The police are required to assist other public institutions, including the healthcare authorities, and can be asked by the other agencies to assist when it is necessary to enact a decision by force.
The police also have the responsibility for prisoner transport during detention, including transport to and from the court.
The police further have duties related to civilian court cases, such as writ of execution, evaluation of natural damage, assisting of courts after bankruptcies, and functioning as a notary public.
The Norwegian Police Service occasionally participates in international operations.
The Police Act and several special laws regulate and agencies and the officers' power and responsibilities. Other details. Norway is one of 19 countries worldwide where police officers are typically unarmed and permitted to use guns only in exceptional circumstances.
Exceptional circumstances means which you did not expect.
The Northern Lights. No trip to Northern Norway would be complete without spotting the Northern Lights.
The Northern Lights, makikita ito usually sa central or northern part of Norway.
So makikita nyo po, yan po ang Northern Lights. Kung makikita nyo po, di ba ang ganda? Excuse na lang po yung dalawa doon sa gilid. Kasi nakapunta na po kami sa Norway.
Yes! And that's the end of our presentation.
Thank you so much sa pakikinig.
Bye!
Bye! Keep safe and God bless.